this is Chef Sam and we're getting Beachbody ready with a turkey bacon salad. For our salad, we're gonna use a few ingredients. We have some baby greens, pecans, pears, gorgonzola, honey, red wine vinegar, some Dijon mustard, olive oil, and of course, our Godshall's real wood smoked turkey bacon. All right, we're gonna shake things up and make some dressing. A sweet part of our salad is going to be these pears. We're going to peel and dice them. Let's chop our Godshall's turkey bacon. Toss the bacon in the pan. Now we have our beautiful golden brown bacon. On top of our bacon, we're going to add our pears, our gorgonzola cheese, and our pecans. And now we toss. Let's serve and dress our salad. Now there is our bacon summer salad.